morning, everyone. My name is Julian Joseph Amaro from the Kuwaitan, Lapu-Lapu.
My name is Andelis Emanuel Gloria. I'm
Non-stop music.
We are the Group 1. And we're going to experiments, and we called the voice log.
We use first, second is marshmallow.
Needle.
And remove the needle of it. As you can see, na-remove ko na yung needle.
Wait.
This is syringe. And itong marshmallow, ipapasok natin sa ito.
Start.
And after that, we will put this back. And as you can see, the marshmallow inside as you can see, marshmallow inside the syringe. So let us push this. Okay. Observe the marshmallow, and after that is done.
And that's all for experimenting about the voice log. Oops, wait, before the end of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!